Guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Akinbola Ezekiel speaking. So let me walk you through how you can become an accredited agent with the Corporate Affairs Commission, right? So if you're an individual who is qualified to be an accredited agent, this is how you can go through the process with me, right? Let's go. So all you need to do is come to the pre.cac.gov.ng, pre.cac.gov.ng. Once you come to that website, all you need to do is click on these three lines you're seeing on the top left corner, and you're going to see register. You click on register, and then you come here and you'll see two options: phone number and NIN. Now the NIN option, an individual is supposed to have just one NIN number, and you can have as many phone numbers as possible. So I always advise you use the phone number option in this particular portion, and the phone number option will allow you to have multiple accounts. And this for those who are registering for individual, right? If you're registering for an individual account, then you can do that as well. But if you're not registering for an individual, then you must make sure that you consider using a phone number option. So the phone number will rightly placed. So if now the question I always get is this: if you have registered before, you have a personal account, maybe you did a personal registration for your company or your business, and you have used your NIN, right, to do the process of registration, then when you are registering as an accredited agent, you can use your phone number instead. Do you understand? You see that if I put in any details that have already been used, it will tell me the account, this particular details has been used before now, and I can no longer use these particular details at this particular point in time. So let me try to show you what I'm trying to say. 323325. You're going to see this phone number has been used before. You can see that this phone number has been taken. Do you understand? So that makes most people to be unable to carry out the process of registration for their accredited account. So what I advise to you, if you have an alternative phone number, all you need to do is put in the alternative phone number, and then you'll be able to proceed. And make sure the phone number is owned by you. Now, when you click on next, you're going to see three options, right? Now, if you're registering for a personal account, for an individual, you want to register a business, you just fill in all these details and then click on register. Once you're done, you'll be able to get a notification alert on your email, and then you'll be able to confirm the process, and then you'll get an account, and then you can use your login details to log in. But right now, the essence of this video is for those who want to become an accredited agent. There are documents you need to put together, so you need to make sure you watch the video from beginning to end so that you can put the documents together. So you can see these three options. The first one is telling us that you can continue an existing queried registration, right? Let's put it off. The second one is saying that you can select to create an account as a non-Nigerian, and the third one is telling us to please select if you want to be an accredited agent. So, and that is what we want to do in this particular video. We are trying to show you how to get registered as an accredited agent. So you can see that, please note that CAC has the right to disapprove requests for accredited users that do not meet all necessary requirements. So the first option we're going to be doing is this: there are people that specifically can carry out this process of registering as an accredited agent. So the first one is the Nigerian Bar Association individual, Nigerian Bar Association firm, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria individual, Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria firm, Association of National Accountants of Nigeria individual, Association of National Accountants of Nigeria firm, the Institute of Chartered Secretaries and Administrators of Nigeria individual, the Institute of Chartered Secretaries and Administrators of Nigeria firm. So all these people have the right to carry out registration as an accredited agent. Now, if you are not belonging to any of this particular association, whatever it is, don't worry, I got you covered. So all you need to do is send me a DM, and then we'll attach you to one of our shared platform, and then be able to get access. But if you have access to all these different association, or whichever association you have access to, you click on it. So now let me just explain the difference between the individual and the firm. So that means that when you're registering, for instance, in the bar association, you're registering as either registering as an individual, or you have a firm, a law firm, that you want to get registered with the bar association. So whichever you have is what you are going to be selecting. So let's select for individual now. So if I'm selecting for individual, you come here, you put in your name, test, you put in the first name, test, you put in the other name, test, you put in the date of birth, which means you must be more than 18 years, right? So whatever the date of birth is, you put it there. Gender, either male or female. Nationality has to be Nigerian, obviously. Phone number has already been inserted. Email address should also be put here, fff@gmail.com. So this is just a test process. Oh, it has been taking. Wow. How about that? Okay, this is okay. So I need to confirm that particular email address and then we'll proceed. So let me confirm the email address now. And then I need to select a username. So you put a username that you'll be able to remember easily. Good, good to go. 1, 2, 3. So this has to be a username that you can remember, and you create a password. So let's ask it to suggest a strong password for us. So it has suggested a strong password. Occupation, you put an entrepreneur. Country, address, country has to be Nigeria. The state, you select the state you are from. The local government, select the local government you are from. Postal code is not compulsory. The village or city you are, you just select whatever it is. House number, you put it there. So street number, you put it there. Means of identification that you currently have. I will advise you always either use driver's license, international passport, national ID card, or permanent voters card. Don't use age declaration and don't use birth certificate. They're only needed for those who are underage and on others. So you should have a valid, a more valid visa identification. So let's say driver's license. You put in the details A, B, C, whatever it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So once you're done with that, you click on save and continue. Now, once you're done with that, it will load you up to the next page where we are going to be looking at the document you're supposed to upload. So the document you're supposed to upload is just about of them, five of them now. Okay, five or six of them. So the first document you're going to be uploading is your signature. So you upload your signature, whatever your signature is, you scan it. So you can have the signature on a sheet of paper, sign, and then you take a snapshot of the signature, and then you can upload it. Then let me assume this is the signature and I've uploaded it. Then you come also to the passport photograph, and then you come here and select your passport photograph, upload it. When you're done, good. And then you also come here to upload the evidence of identification. So that's means of identification. So that could be that since you selected your driver's license, so you should be able to upload that driver's license, right? So you come here, select driver's license, and you upload it. Qualifying certificate, that qualifying certificate, you have it, upload it. Go ahead and select it. Make sure it's in the form of PDF. Select it. NYC digital certificate, snap it, convert it to PDF, and also do well to upload it. And then the current processing fee receipt is more or less in an invoice form. You snap it and then you upload it. If you have it in the PDF format, you can just upload it simply, and that's all the documents you need, right? So once you're done, you have those documents prepared. Maybe before the end of this video, I'll show you how to convert your images to PDF format, right? So click on proceed to payment, and once you click on proceed to payment, it will load up and ask you to pay the sum of 10,000 naira, right? You can see sum of 10,000 naira would need to be you will need to pay the sum of 10,000 naira for you to be able to get access to it. Now take note of this. Even though if you have not paid the sum of 10,000 naira, you must have gotten an email notification. Don't forget, I already created a password and a username, and my email has already been inputted, and that means that a notification has been sent, right? But that is not the end of the registration, because that login details is invalid and cannot be used at that point. Now, after I've made payment and they've reviewed my documents and done everything that needs to be done, that is when I will be able to do what? That's when I'll be able to get access to the account. So they will let me know that, oh, the account is available for login at this point in time. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So once I make the payment of 10,000 naira, I will be able to do that. So how do you convert your image? So you just image to PDF, right? Image to PDF. So there are different links. So you can come to small PDF. I mostly use small PDF. So you select the image that you want to convert to PDF. Once you select the image, you click on it, and then immediately within a minute or two, within 5 seconds or two, it's going to when you click on convert, it to convert that particular image to a PDF file that can be downloaded and then you can use at any point in time. So let me open the document, the image I just converted to PDF. So it's as simple as that to carry out the process of registration as an accredited agent. So what about in a situation whereby you cannot do that as an accredited agent? You need you are not a lawyer, you are not a chartered accountant, and you don't have any of those qualifying certificates. All you need to do is send me a DM and I'll get you linked up and I'll tell you what to do. Right? My name is Ezekiel, and I would love to see you in other videos. Thank you.